Hey besties, in this video, I'm going to share with you 75 unique video ideas that you can create to grow your YouTube channel. So make sure you watch this video to the end because I assure you, you're definitely going to get ideas. I have the list on my phone, so pardon me, I'm going to be looking at my phone from time to time. But before we dive in, if you're just seeing me for the first time, my name is Amaka Ezablikwa. Please do not leave without clicking on the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you always get notified when I post an interesting video. So video idea number one is try out a foreign food. You can go to a restaurant that sells Ghanaian food and try out their meal, try out Chinese food, just try out something different and new and record your reaction. This will be a very interesting video. Number two is share unpopular opinions, things that not everyone will agree with, but things that you stand solidly by. Share it, and this will bring a lot of engagement, both positive and negative, because people will agree with you and a lot of people won't agree with you, but this is also a very fun video to create. Number three, share your morning routine. What do you do when you wake up in the morning? Are you a mom with kids? What do you do? Are you a dad? Are you a student? Just share your morning routine. This is usually fun and people love it. Four is share a daily vlog. Whether it's a day in your life as a student, a day in your life as a medical student, a day in your life as a business student, a day in your life as a business owner, a day in your life as a mom, etc. Number five, share a weekend vlog. How is your weekend like? Just record bits of your weekend together and show us what a weekend in your life is like. People are nosy. Like, we want to know these things, and these are fun videos that people would love to watch. Number six, share planning content for the month. If you're a content creator on social media, you can share you can share how you plan your social media content for the month. You can record that. That would be an interesting and educational video because people will get ideas from you. Number seven, share a gist or a story time about something interesting that happened to you, or something interesting, something inspirational, something funny that happened. Just share a story time video. People love story times. I love story time videos. Number eight, prepare my favorite meal with me. You can create a video preparing your favorite meal and just walk us through how you do it. Number nine is a mukbang. People love watching other people eat, and people will love this, especially if it's a new, unique food that maybe they haven't seen before or they haven't tried before. People will love this. Number 10, self-care day or a self-love day. This is also a vlog. Just share what you do on your self-love day or your self-care day. Maybe you're going to the spa, you're taking yourself out. This is an interesting video. Number 11 is go shopping with me, either to a mall or to your local market. I love this one because you just get to see a lot of interesting things, know how markets are in different places. So this is definitely a nice video to try out. Number 12 is share a how-to video. Teach something that you're really good at. Are you good at making your hair? Are you good at whatever it is that you're good at? Just share a video teaching people how to do these things. One mistake we make is we think that thing we know is already general idea, and that's not true. A lot of people want to learn what you know. So please teach people, create a video sharing what you know with people, and they will love it. Number 13 is a try-on haul. This could be a thrift haul. Maybe you went thrift shopping. You can just show us what you got, a try-on haul. People love this. Number 14 is share a birthday vlog. Everyone has a birthday. Depends on when your birthday is. So you can share a birthday vlog, show what you did on your birthday. Number 15 is a silent vlog. This is usually easy to create because you don't have to say anything. You're just doing what you're doing and recording yourself and just add music to it. Okay, so number 16 is a get to know me tag. If you're just starting your channel, or even if you're not just starting your channel, you can create a get to know me tag where you just write out a few questions that you think people would like to know about you and respond to them. This is usually nice too. Number 17 is share some mistakes you made in your area of interest. For example, mistakes I made when I first started my business, mistakes I made when I first started my YouTube channel, things like this. People love to learn from our mistakes. Number 18 is play a game with your sibling. This is usually so fun. Maybe a question, an answer, who did this, who tried this, who started this, something like that. Just play a game with your sibling. Number 19 is play a game with your best friend. Number 20 is share your unique view about a viral topic. This could be what I think about Dash or how I feel about Dash. Could be something that is recently going on. Just share your unique view about it. People like to know what you think. People like to know what other people think about stuff. Okay. Number 22. Number 21 is review your favorite products. This could be your phone, this could be gadgets that you got, this could be hair care products, skincare products, just anything that you really like, you can review it. People love to watch what other people think about something before they get it. Personally, I love to search for reviews before I get anything so that I can know if it's good or not. And I think we're in number 22, right? So 22 is getting outfits ready for the week. If you don't know what to create, maybe you're planning your week, you're going to work and you just put out different outfits and record a video asking us, okay, do you think I should pair this with this with that? That's a fun video, I think. Number 23 is share a testimony. Yes, if you're a Christian and you have a testimony, God has done something amazing in your life, please share a testimony. I would love to watch that. Number 24 is react to a trending topic or a video, maybe a funny video, an animal video, just something you can react to a video. This is usually nice. People love to see other people's reaction to something weird, right? What they do. And this would be a nice one. Number 25, share something you learned recently. What did you learn recently? Share it with us. Would love to know. Number 26. Share a quick hack that works for you. What's that quick hack that you do every time that works for you? You can create a video sharing that. Number 27 is mistakes you see people make in your area of interest. For example, if you're a business owner, you can create a video that says mistakes that you see new business owners making. You can create a video saying these mistakes that you see new YouTubers make with their channel. People will love this because we like to know that mistake that we're making so that we can stop making it. Number 28 is if you're good at editing, you can share a video on how you edit your video. Number 29 is I surprised Dash with Dash and this happened. It could be I surprised my mom with a phone and this happened. I surprised my mom taking her to her favorite restaurant and this happened. Just record her reaction. We love to see things like that. Number 30 is Dash things I wish I knew before I started Dash or doing Dash. This is like 5 things I wish I knew before I started my YouTube channel, 10 things I wish I knew before I started my business, stuff like that. People would love this. Okay, moving on, we're in number 30. I really hope we don't jump. I really hope I don't jump any number. And if I do, please forgive me. Number 31 says, how YouTube changed my life with dashing subscribers. I see people do this a lot and it gets lots of views. How YouTube changed my life with just 200 subscribers. How YouTube changed my life with 100 subscribers. People want to see stuff like this. Number 32 is what you eat in a day. 33 is get ready with me for Dash. It could be a wedding, it could be your friend's birthday, it could be a date. Just create a get ready with me video. Number 34 is unboxing video. Did you recently get something? You can create an unboxing video, just unboxing the items that you shop for. Number 35 is share some self-love tips. Number 36, share some journaling tips. If you're good at journaling, you can share tips on how to journal well. This is something I would really love to learn too. Number 37, share how you edit your photos. If you're good at editing aesthetic photos, you can share with us how you edit your photos. Number 38 is a travel vlog. Are you traveling somewhere? You can carry us along and share a travel vlog, just showing us the places that you visited, the things that you did, so that those planning to go to the same place would have ideas. Do people love that? Number 39 is birthday prep vlog or birthday shoot vlog. preparing for your birthday, you're having a party, you can just take us behind the scenes so that we'll see the prepping process. Or you can also, if you're planning a shoot, you can take us behind the scenes, carry us along in your video. Number 40 is how I went from Dash to Dash within a length of time. This could be how I went from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in 3 months, depending on your experience or what happened. Because if this didn't happen, please don't create a video like that. It could be how I went from broke to financial independence within a year. How I went from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in a year. Things like that. People love things. People love that. Number 41 is if you're a mom, you can create a mom vlog. Number 42, if you're a pregnant mom, you can create a video saying you can create a video showing what's in my hospital bag that you're getting ready to put to bed. Number 43 is fun place to visit in your state or in your country. So you can create a video just taking us around where you live, your state, fun place to go to when you visit. For example, I live in Jos, Nigeria. So I could create a video saying fun places to visit when you come to Jos, Nigeria, stuff like that. Number 44, best restaurants to visit in your state, just like number 43, best restaurants to visit when you come to Jos. Number 45 is Q&A. You can tell your audience to ask you questions and then create a video responding to those questions. They would love this. Number 36 is reacting to my old videos or reacting to my first video. You can create a reaction video reacting to your own video. This is amazing. Number 47 is what to know before you start Dash, or things I wish I knew before I started Dash. Things I wish I knew before I started my business, things I wish I knew before I started my YouTube channel, etc. Number 48 is if I had to start Dash again, I would do this. If I had to start my business again, I would do this. If I had to start my YouTube channel again, I would do this. If I had to start my Instagram account again, I would do this. Number 49 is advice I would give to my 20-year-old self. This would make a great video. Number 50 is Vlogmas. Yes, if we're getting to Christmas, create a Vlogmas. This would be nice. Number 51 is how I would style this. If you're good at styling outfits, this would be a nice one. Number 52 is a skincare routine or a hair care routine, morning routine, night routine, etc. Number 53 is how you overcame a challenge. We all face challenges from time to time. So how are you able to overcome it? Create a video sharing this with us and we would love this. Number 54 is a house tour. If you're just moving to a new apartment, you can create a video just taking us around the house, a house tour. Number 55 is a makeover. This could be an office makeover, an apartment makeover, a YouTube studio makeover, etc. Number 56 is recreating a celebrity outfit or a Pinterest hairstyle. Number 57 is a 5 minutes or a 10 minutes makeup. You can create a video sharing how you would make up in 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Number 58 is how much YouTube paid you with dash number of subscribers. Yes, we love to see this. I love watching this video. Number 59 is how you plan your YouTube content. If you're a YouTuber, you can show us how you're able to generate video ideas, how you plan your content, etc. Number 60 is try out a recipe from YouTube. All these big creators that have a cooking channel, you can recreate one of their recipes, and just record a video showing us. Number 61 is movie reviews for maybe March, movie reviews for May, movie reviews for August. Your interesting movies that you watch, that if you're someone who loves watching movies. Number 62 is how you study your Bible. If you're a Christian, you can record a video showing us how you study your Bible. Number 63 is getting ready for Christmas. This could be decorate my Christmas tree with me. This could be, arranging my house for Christmas, etc. Number 64 is modest outfit ideas for dash. Number 65 is challenge is a challenge. This could be a blindfold makeup challenge. This could be a spicy food challenge with a friend. I would love this. I would really like to have like a chicken, spicy chicken challenge with someone. Number 66 is play a funny prank on a friend. A prank video, but make sure that it's safe. Number 67 is share your monetization process. Are you monetized already? Did you recently get monetized? How was the process for you? Just share that. Number 68 is share your thoughts and experience about growing with YouTube Shorts. I've been seeing different comments about growing with YouTube Shorts. Some people will say, no, you shouldn't try it. It's going to destroy your account. Some would say, try it. Everyone is just giving their opinions, and you can add yours too. We'd love to share unique views from different people. Number 69 is share your top 10 or your top 5. This could be travel destinations, favorite books, favorite movies. It could also be your favorite brands. Number 70 is go shopping with a particular amount and show us what you were able to get. This could be like going shopping with 10,000 naira and showing us what you got with 10,000 naira. This could be going shopping with $20 and showing us what you were able to get with $20, etc. Number 71 is share a historical event that fascinates you. If you love history and there's a story or a historical event that really fascinates you, blows your mind, you can share it with us. We love to hear such. Number 62 is do a 10-day challenge. This could be eating only veggies for 10 days. So in this video, you can say something like, I ate only veggies for 10 days and this happened. Number 73 is a slow weekend in my life. This is also a vlog. Are you having a boring weekend? Please show us, eh? Number 74 is, if you're a mom, this could be a pregnancy and delivery story. Finally, number 75, you can share a life update. What have you been up to recently? Share a life update with us. I hope you were able to get ideas from this. Let me know in the comment section how many ideas you were able to get from this. And I'd also love to know where you're watching it from. Let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.